Hello guys, in this lecture we will learn about distributed software architecture. A distributed system is a collection of computational and storage devices connected through a communication network. Data software and user are distributed. Communication occurs using number of methods including message passing, remote procedure calls and remote method invocation includes in distributed software architecture. An example of distributed system includes nationalized bank with multiple branch of office. You can see in this picture, you can clear cut picture on this picture. Next is the client server architectural style. Client server architecture illustrates the relationship between two computer programs in which one program is a client and other is server. Client makes a service request to server. Server provides service to the request. Client server. Although the client server architecture can be used within single computer by programs, but it is a more important idea in a network. In a network, the client server architecture allows efficient way to interconnect programs that are distributed efficiently across different locations. Next, client server style suitable for applications that involves distributed data and processing across a range of components. Components include servers, standalone components that provide specific services such as printing, data management, etc. Next is the clients. Clients components that call on the service provided by servers. Next, connector. The network which allow clients to access remote servers is called connector. Next is common example. The World Wide Web is an example of client server architecture. Each computer that uses a web browser is a client and the data on various web pages that those clients access is stored on multiple servers. Another example, if you have to check a bank account from your computer, you have to send a request to a server program at the bank. That programs process the request and forward the request to its own client program that sends a request to a database server at another bank computer to retrieve client's balance information. Next, the balance is sent back to the bank data client, which in return serves it back to your personal computer, which displays the information of balance on your computer. Next, client server processes. It is normal for several client processes to run on a single processor. For example, on your PC you may run a mail client that downloads mail from a remote mail server. You may also run a web browser that interacts with a remote web server and a print client that sends documents to a remote printer. Several different server processes may run on the same processor, but often servers are implemented as multiprocessor system in which a separate instance of server process runs on each machine. Servers. Servers commonly contain data files and applications that can be accessed across network by workstation or user computers. A user who wants to access data files would use his or her client computer to access the data files on the server. today's lecture is end. Thank you so much for watching this video.